Hi there and welcome to Sgravalli Fashion Jewelry Shop. My name is Olja and I am the owner of this little establishment, fashion jewelry designer and a published artist. Fashion jewelry has always been my passion. However, my profession skewed to marketing. It wasn't until a few years back when economic crisis struck the world and I lost my corporate job as a result of it when I finally had some time to learn jewelry making techniques. Also at the same time, I learned how to knit while pursuing one particular marketing job in yarn manufacturing industry. And also at the same time, I demolished, designed and rebuilt my fixer-upper house, purchased just 15 days before losing my job. I simply had to save money. And yes, I am actually talking about tiling, flooring, mudding, sanding, upholstering, as the list of my newly acquired skills goes on. And just like that, kind of by accident, I've discovered two of my life passions, jewelry making and DIY home renovations. As they were simultaneously developing, it was only natural that this shop has opened and that in my remodeled home, I designed a space to serve as a Sgravalli studio. This is exactly the topic covered in a 4-page published article about me and my work in this amazing Belle Armoire Jewelry magazine from the United States, which draws a conclusion that things don't just happen by accident after all. Would you agree? As the story here explains, after learning how to create knitted wrappers, from the first encounter, I saw more than just delicate knitted beads. I saw them in compositions as mixed media jewelry, carried by the hard materials like chains and wire wrap elements. Over the years, I can say my taste has been evolving, changing, influenced by other events in my life and the way they shaped me. I experimented with cable knitting in my beads, I wire wrapped them in shapes, I knitted a lot with teeny seed beads, sorted out in a very organized way within those bead wrappers. I mixed them heavily with metal parts too, and I love all that. But lately, I'm going for more organic feel, something that could classify as boho chic. I introduced hemp thread to be the carrier of my beads, decreasing significantly the harsh-looking parts. The elements are now showing up in a rather random placement, and I love the artsy vibe of these newer compositions, just like the two photographed by the Belle Armoire Jewelry magazine. My approach to creating a new design is always different depending on what will inspire me. Sometimes I'll get an idea while shopping for jewelry supplies, and other times I'll just open all the drawers and boxes full of yarn, seed beads, crystal beads and gemstones, chains and many other different complementing pieces that I use to craft my jewelry, and just by staring at them I'll get the ideas flowing. You know, it's wonderful colorful, exciting world for me, and I approach this exercise every time with anticipation just to see what will inspire me next. Thank you so much for visiting. Please do continue browsing right here at my shop. I hope you find a piece that speaks to you, and know that you can always request a custom-made piece of jewelry as well. If you're interested in reading this published article, or if you would like to purchase this magazine issue, just visit my blog at sgravalli.com. Also, if it happens that you share my other passion of DIY home renovations, you will also find there a lot of free video tutorials to help you. And in addition to all that, if you would like to hear back sometimes from a marathon runner and a fitness fanatic, from somebody who loves to cook, eat, and travel places, well, connect with me on social media. Just search for Sgravalli on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. I love to share about the things and events that inspire me, and I really love to hear back from you too. Until then, ciao!